is JJ's first time to have watermelon. She's licking it. And now is she going to chew on it? What is that, JJ? Huh? What is that? Huh? Well, you don't know what to do you, huh? Huh? Here, JJ. Come here, JJ. JJ. Here. Here. Yeah, that's good. Maybe you do like it. Chew on it. Come on, chew on it. Come on, no, not on the ride. Here, chew on this. Come here. Come here. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, you still licking. Yeah, I guess that's it. Oh, you hear something? Oh, yeah, there's something else exciting over there. Oh, what'd you hear? Huh? There's nothing out there. Oh, is that Tommy? Is that Tommy coming out there?
Girl.
Is that Tommy?
Girl.
I'm videoing JJ.
JJ Bird.
Better see who you are.
Hey, JJ. JJ.
She's not too sure. She's not too sure. That's Daddy. That's your adopted daddy. Okay, so much for the watermelon. JJ! JJ Bird! JJ Bird! He's gone. He's gone. You gonna do a pee-pee, huh? You gonna do a pee-pee? Yes, I knew you were. Okay. We'll talk to you later. Bye. Say bye to everybody. Say bye, JJ.